guys, this is Viraltechno signing back again, and guys, this is a very important video for my channel. So today I'm traveling to Delhi from Mumbai, and it's a usual thing, but the interesting thing in my video is I'm traveling with a dog. Yes, with a pug, and I'm standing outside of Mumbai Central, and you can see all the Mumbai traffic. And guys, this is the last day of me in Mumbai, so I'll go and see you guys there in the train. Hello guys, I am inside the Mumbai Central, and you can see a certain quality difference because I've changed the phone. Actually there are two main big stations in Mumbai. एक है CST जहाँ पे लोकल और इंडियन रेलवे चलती है, और एक है मुंबई सेंट्रल जो मैं अभी आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. इसमें टोटल इंडियन रेलवे चलती है. अभी स्टेशन पे अचानक से रश बहुत हो गया है बिकॉज ट्रेन आई है, और अभी मैं आपको लुक दिखाता हूँ. ये है हमारा फर्स्ट क्लास का कैबिन, सो मैं आपको चल के दिखाता हूँ आगे. ये पूरा बंद हो जाता है, और ये पूरा फर्स्ट क्लास ही है. एंड दिस इज केबिन, इसमें 4 सीट्स होती है.
A few moments later.
The journey has started. So till now we have just crossed Vasai Road station. So I quickly had a good shower in a train. That service is available only in first class. So I'll quickly show you the washroom. I had a shower. So I will quickly show you around the place. So you can see this is the big mirror. Over here we get a tap, and we have a hook on the doors as well, and a small heater which shows switch on and wait for 3 minutes for the hot water. And on the top we have obviously the shower and a hand shower, and that's much. It's nothing there, but still we can have a good shower in a train. So let's continue our journey. The electrical part of the train. For your information, we are in New Delhi Duranto. Let's go. So here you can see all the electrical work. Inside from here we have our own place. Here you can see. As we come inside, we have our own place. I cannot talk loud because everyone is sleeping. You can see time is 12, and we can see the something. Yeah, we cannot see, but this is ours, F, and you can see all privacy we can do. And yeah, that's much it. So I'll show you in the next one.
A few moments later.
Said you in Ratlam, train रुकती है 5 मिनट. Ratlam is exactly in Madhya Pradesh. So next station is Kota, and then we will enter in Delhi NCR. So let's go and continue our journey, and I'll catch you guys on the way. Or we stopped in Vadodara at 4:30 in the morning, so we all were sleeping. What are you doing? Yeah. So we just fetched him up the station, Ratlam. That's why I stepped out. And that's my mom and Scooby. Scooby, Scooby, Scooby,
ਉੱਥੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਹੀ ਰਹੀ, ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਦੂਰ ਨਾ ਜਾਈ।
A few moments later.
Hi guys, I thought of giving quick update. So as of now it is 10:20 in the morning and we are very sleepy after the breakfast because yesterday it was really tiring and in the night also we didn't slept quite well. So now we are very sleepy and our train will be reaching New Delhi by 4:30. So we have good 6 hours for sleep and we'll sleep for like around 2-3 hours. So I'll guys catch you after my sleep. Now it's time for lunch. And I don't know why this train is giving sudden shocks from braking and accelerating. I don't know why it's with this train only or every day does this thing. Pathetic. I just finished my lunch, so let's just get fresh. I have got my bottle to wash my face because this water is very hot because of the heat you can see. And yeah, I'll go and wash my face and you people enjoy the time lapse after this shot. Wash my face as you saw. So let's go. All fresh. Now we have a quick nap. Plan was to drop at the New Delhi railway station, but our house is near to Hazrat Nizamuddin. We dropped here only. It happened so fast that I could not end the vlog in the train. So I'm going holding my Scooby. So yeah, mission accomplished. Thank you guys for watching it. This is Viraltechno signing off. Bye bye.